Hey everyone, it's Barber Coins, and it's time for a typeset update. Stay tuned. Hey everyone, it's Barber Coins, and so I bought this typeset from Cent Hoarder in one of his auctions, and a bunch of coins to put in this typeset. So I'm going to go through here. This is what was already in the typeset when I bought it. Flying Eagle, Indian Head, Lincoln Cents. The only one that I don't have is the 1859 Indian Head. A BU Steely, a BU 60, a Clad Dime, and a Clad BU Quarter. But I do have, and 2 proof dollars. So I do have some things to put in here. So I'll bring you back in here in a second. First up, I'm going to put in some silver commemorative half dollars. So first up is a 1935 BU Daniel Boone commemorative. Only 10,000 were minted, and in BU condition, it's a $100 coin. Which this coin is definitely in BU condition. So put that in. First official coin in the book. Next commemorative half dollar is going to be the 1926 Sesquicentennial commemorative. This one, 141,000 were minted. It was minted in Philadelphia, and in BU condition, it's worth $100-ish. So beautiful, beautiful coin. Put that right there, and I'll bring you guys in on the next one. Next up in the book is going to be a 1935 S San Diego commemorative. 70,000 were minted. This one is in Bellingen shape. Just Bellingen. In MS60, it's a $100 coin. This is definitely better than MS60. I'm thinking this is easily MS64 or higher. This thing is beautiful, but it's around a $150 coin. So put that in there, and I'll bring you guys in on the next one. Next up is going to be a 1934 Texas commemorative. Only 61,000 were minted, and this one has so much detail on it. On the front, so much detail in this coin. Remember the Alamo. They do make some 1-ounce rounds, not the US Mint, but Private Mint makes some awesome replica of these. So this coin in MS60 is about a $100-ish coin. So I don't think it's, I think it's been cleaned at one point, but it's still a beautiful coin. And it'll go right there. Alrighty guys, I have some more coins. I'll bring you guys back in. Next up in the typeset fill, I have a 20-cent piece here that I'm going to put in there. It's an 1875 S 20-cent piece. This one, only 1.5 or 1.1 million were minted, and even in good 4, or good 4, it's a $100 coin. So beautiful pickup. Thank you, Cent Hoarder, for this coin. Beautiful addition to the typeset. Next up is going to be a 1915 Liberty Head or Barber. Beautiful. I think this is mint state. I could be wrong. I was going to send it in to get graded, but I decided not to. But in MS60, this coin is a $250 coin. On the rise, as PCGS puts it. That one, 3.4 million were minted. Put that in the typeset. I think I got one more Nope, no more quarters. We're gonna go back to the half dollars. Next up is going to be a Liberty seeded half dollar. It's an 1857. You can see part of Liberty on there, not full Liberty. And there is the back. 2 million were minted of this one. And even in crappy condition, which this is not in that bad a condition, is a $50-ish coin. So not a bad pickup. Definitely a beautiful half dollar seeded half, which fills a hole. The last half dollar to go in today is an 1871 S half dollar. Beautiful half dollar. 2.1 million were minted, and in crappy condition, it's about a $40 coin. But this one has full Liberty. This one does have some marks on it, so it probably was cleaned at some point. But it's still a beautiful coin to put in a typeset with model. Alrighty, so there is the 20-cent piece, the quarter that we added, a couple halves, the commemoratives. I do have one more, actually 2 more coins to put in this album. Next up, it's going to be a half dime, and we'll see how good it picks up on the camera. So it's an 1853 with arrows. Half dime. So 13 million were minted, so quite a bit. But the survivability rate for these half dimes are pretty low. So beautiful half dime. 53. Liberty seeded with arrows. So the last coin for today is a 3-cent nickel. Let's try to get a good view of it. I don't know why my camera, there we go. So a 3-cent nickel in beautiful shape. Look at that. Beautiful 3-cent nickel. And we'll put it right there. Alrighty guys, so here is the set so far. I do have some more coins to put in, but I have to dig for them, and I want to put good coins in here. So I might just find some on an auction. But thank you to Cent Hoarder. He always has some awesome coins up for grabs in his auction. And he surprises you sometimes with coins that you didn't know you needed. I do need to find some BU half dollars to put up there. And there we go. Alrighty guys, well, thank you guys for watching. If you guys like this content, please consider subscribing to our channel, ringing that bell for future notifications, and hopefully we can see you on one of our streams. Alright, bye everyone.